How to fix Spotify pausing. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So launch your settings app. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, launch your Spotify app. Click on the profile icon given at the top left. Head over to the option settings and privacy. Click on the option playback. Make sure you have enabled for the option enable audio normalization. Now I can head back. Click on the option data saving and offline. Make sure you have disabled for the option data saver. Next, close background apps. Too many apps running can mess with audio focus. Next up, log out and log in back to your account. For that, head back. Click on the option log out. Click on log out again for the confirmation. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. Next, check for the updates. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, completely delete app from your device and reinstall it. So press and hold on the app, select the option delete app, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Spotify and then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Spotify keeps pausing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.